pertains to the heights here. Go ahead.
Oh, it pertains to the height because these two right here are
No, wrong way.
taller
Because this is the engine rotates
on the inside.
Than the outside.
Remember, run
So the longer bolts go here. Longer bolts here,
No,
shorter
it goes
bolts
right
here.
here.
Right?
Right here.
I mean, yeah, go here, here.
Because these are shorter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you have four?
these are the
You have
same
four
size,
long
too.
bolts here, or just the outer?
No, just two.
So as you see, that the colors don't make the difference.
Mhm.
It's not the color, it's the lengths that make the difference.
All right, where's our, put this on top dead center.
So they're right.
So these are longer only here and there. Yes.
Right here, right here.
Just those two right here are the
Okay,
long
let's
ones.
get
All
our-
the other ones, irrelevant.
Head bolts on.
Head both go like this.
Okay, let's rock it down.
Let me take a look over here.
Go ahead, keep on.
See how it looks over here.
See two bolts at once. Look at that. You're working high, I'm working low. Like clockwork. Like gears.
Mhm.
Now we need we need a torque wrench for.
Correct. And then we'll go.
So I see.
Put a gab on each of the valve stands.
So
And then now we need to figure out. See, because this needs to be tightened.
Yeah, that's where you're gonna get the torque wrenches. Okay.
What is the actual
Specs.
the specs for the torque for this? For the head bolt, not head bolts, but for the rock. This is rocker arms, right?
yes.
Mallet.
There, it's on.
Need a mallet? I stole it.
Before you go all the way down on that, so we can even get some on there.
Left. It says right here, left.
Even it out.
And I think it just says.
We already put oil on the journals, yeah?
Yes.
That ball,
13 to 16 on the cam bolt.
Did I just break it? Oh no, the dowel. I forgot about the dowel. What? 13 what?
13 to 16. Foot pounds.
Okay.
That.
Why'd you loosen this one?
I didn't.